animating characters in Poser, and working with JCM files for realistic joint deformations. These drive sophisticated muscle and skin behavior in character rigs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Poser joint controlled morph files. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value JCM file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. A JCM file is used by Poser, a 3D character animation program. It stores joint-controlled morph data, which defines how a character's mesh should deform when a specific joint is bent. This allows for more realistic muscle bulges and skin creasing, a common need for 3D artists. JCM files are typically text-based or binary files containing vertex morph targets linked to joint rotation values. The format is designed to be an external dependency, allowing artists to create and share custom morphs that automatically activate when a character is posed, enhancing realism without complex rigging. The guiding principle for Opening JCM is to use Poser from Smith Micro software. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your JCM file and choosing Open With. Try Poser first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If you cannot access the JCM file, no problem. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the JCM problem. First, loading in Poser. Within Poser, use File, then Import or the Library palette to load JCM files, attaching them to compatible character figures. The morphs activate automatically as you pose the character through the joint editor or pose controls. Verify morph triggers correspond to the correct joints for the character figure being used in your animation. Next, editing morph behavior. Use Poser's joint editor to adjust JCM trigger ranges, blend curves and morph intensities. Fine-tune the response curves to achieve realistic deformation across the full range of joint motion. Save adjusted JCM files for reuse across projects, building a library of refined character behavior tailored to your specific animation requirements. Finally, cross-application use. For workflows spanning multiple 3D applications, export character data with JCM behavior baked into animation through FBX or Alembic formats. Direct JCM compatibility is exclusive to Poser, though similar joint-driven shape keys exist in Blender, Maya, and other tools. Recreate the JCM logic and destination software using their respective driven key or corrective shape systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.